Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today's video will leave you shocked. Think about it. Your Android phone will become a powerful AI supercomputer without the internet. ChatGPT or Gemini do not work without internet. But what Google brought now is on another level. AI will run using your phone's own processor and GPU. No data goes outside. 100% privacy. I tested it myself and the response speed surprised me. Let's go to the next step without delay. This is possible because of an official Google app. The name is Google AI Edge Gallery. You will find it directly in the Play Store. Look here, I am getting answers to big questions completely offline. No internet. For people in villages with bad networks, this is a lifesaver. And the best part? It is completely free. I will explain every step in this video so easily that everyone can do it. Let's start. Take your phone, open Play Store, type in the search bar Google AI Edge Gallery. Keep the spelling correct, otherwise fake apps might appear. You will know it when you see the original app. Click install. The size is not very big, so it will finish fast. It is downloading. Wait for a moment now. Open it after installing. First, the license agreement comes. No need to worry, this is a normal Google thing. Click accept and continue. Then it will ask for notification permission. I say enable it, so you don't miss important updates. Now we are in the main dashboard. The real fun starts here. You will see many options on the main screen. Our goal is AI chat, so tap the AI chat option at the top. A list of many models will appear here. Scroll down a bit. Look, Gemma 4 E2B it. It says 2.5 GB next to it. This is the most powerful version. So we will use this. Now click the install button. It is a 2.5 GB file, so keep good internet on for this time. Once downloaded, you will never need internet again. Keep at least 3 GB free in your phone storage. Downloading. Be patient. After this short wait, your phone will change completely. After the download ends, the app takes a few seconds to load the model. It takes 10 seconds to 1 minute depending on phone speed. When you see the Try It Now button, know that setup is complete. Now tap and enter the chat. From now on, your phone is not just a normal phone. It is an AI-powered smart device. Now for the real test. Pull down the notification panel and turn off both Wi-Fi and mobile data. I am turning on airplane mode. Look, now write hi in the chat box and send it. Wow, AI is replying without any internet. Seeing this, I was really surprised. Is this even possible? Yes, it is. Let's ask a harder question. Right. How to protect my smartphone from hackers? See how well it answers in points. There is no server jam here. Everything is processing on your phone. You can have it write code or emails. No internet connection is needed. Friends, if this video helps you, then subscribe to the channel and stay with us. I always bring such great techniques for you. If you have any problems with a step, comment below. I will reply myself. I get much energy if you give a like. Let's see some advanced features now. Go back to the main menu of the app. There is an option called Mobile Actions here. It is still experimental but very useful. You need a little internet to start it because you must download a small file. This feature helps the AI control your phone settings and apps. In the future, this will take Android to a new level. Enter Mobile Actions and look. Gemma 270 million models for mobile actions. The size is only 27 MB. Turn on the internet and install it. It will be done in a few seconds. You can turn off the internet again after downloading, but wait until the download finishes. Open it after downloading. Then tap and hold the press and hold to talk option and say anything. For example, say turn on flashlight and your device flashlight turns on automatically. Tap the back button to go to the previous screen, then click the menu icon on the top left. Find the settings icon there and tap to open it. You can clear old chat history from here. If you care about privacy, clear this regularly. Also, you can see the GPU status here. If the phone gets too hot, give it some rest. So this was today's full tutorial. Now you can run Google AI on your phone without internet. What could be more free than this? Whether you are in the mountains or the sea, your AI assistant is always with you. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.